Shalom and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Made Easy. Today I am going to go over Genesis 1:6. Last week I did a few videos on Hebrew prayer. I hope you enjoyed those. And I'm going to begin with a little summary of Genesis chapter 1, verse 6. Genesis talks about the first 3 days of creation. See how it follows a common pattern. As the first thing that God does is that He speaks. He then creates. After He creates, then He gives His creation a name. He calls what He makes as being good. So on day 1, He creates the light. On day 2, He creates the atmosphere and the firmament. On day 3, He creates the dry ground and the plants. On day 4, He creates the moon, the stars, and the sun. On day 5, He creates the sea creatures and the birds. On day 6, He creates the land animals and humans. On day 7th, He rests. The day 7th is called the Sabbath. Okay, I am going to go over the words to Genesis 1, verse 6. Also, some of the accent marks that we have here, which helps us know how to stress those letters. So, the first word is vayomer. Vayomer, vayomer. Elohim. Yehi rakia. Rakia בתוך המים. Here's the accent mark. המים. And the accent mark was here and here and here. ויהי מבדיל. מבדיל בין מים, here's the accent mark, מים למים. למים. Accent mark is here. למים. Okay, so let's go over the meaning of each of these words. Vayomer means, and he said. Elohim is God. There should be. Rakia. Rakia is the expanse or the firmament. Rakia. This word here is in the midst. In the midst. And that is betoch hamayim, the water. Vehi. And should it. Mavdil, which means separates. Bain, between. Mayim, water. Lamayim, and to the water. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do so you do not miss any future lessons. Thank you and shalom.